All right, we are full into holiday bake mode, and I don't know about you, but I need to keep things simple. This no-bake pumpkin cheesecake fits that bill. Not only simple, but delicious is the name of the game. So get your cashews soaked overnight. But if you don't have that much time, you can quick soak them in some boiled water for about 30 minutes. All right, first things first, let's whip up a quick stovetop custard. And this is what sets my no-bake cheesecakes apart, is the custard base. With your favorite plant milk and some sugar, some cornstarch, and of course the pumpkin. And I'm using canned pumpkin, but you can use homemade puree if you prefer. I do like to add a spot of vegan butter for some added richness, and don't forget the pumpkin pie spice. Also, I'll add a pinch of agar, but this ingredient is really optional. You'll definitely have enough stability just from all of these other ingredients alone. All right, now just bring it all up to a boil, and it does have to boil in order to activate that cornstarch. And once it does, just transfer everything into a blender along with those soaked and drained cashews. And I like to add vegan cream cheese to mine for that authentic cheesecake taste, but you could also leave that out. And I do write all about this in my notes for success section and substitutions on my website. So be sure to head over there to Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com to grab the written printable version. I can only do pumpkin cheesecake with ginger snap crust. It's like illegal or something if I don't do that. It's just like this thing that I have to do. And after at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, in the refrigerator, not the freezer. Trust me, the texture changes really weird if you freeze this. But then you can add some pumpkin swirl buttercream rosettes, or not, and that's it. The most beautiful and delicious no-bake pumpkin cheesecake you'll ever try. And if you know anything about me, I used to be a no-bake cheesecake hater, and ever since I formulated my own recipe with the custard base, I am now a no-bake cheesecake lover. So I hope that you will try it. Be sure to grab the recipe, Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com, for all the best dessert recipes. And thanks for watching. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.